For over 42 years, Morala Trading has been a cornerstone of Ottawa's coffee scene. More than just a store, we're a destination for quality, expertise, and passion. Meet the owner of Morala Trading.
Hamid Mortazavi. They sell coffees, coffee equipment, which is espresso machine, regular coffee machines, tea, and all the accessories.
That's right, since 1983, we've been committed to providing the best coffee, equipment, and service to not just the Ottawa community, but across Canada. We source the best brands from Europe and beyond so that you have access to the best quality.
German, Italian, Netherlands, Swiss. These are the best products in the market. ECM, Profitec, Rancilio, Rocket, Mocha Masters, Keys Van der Westen, the Rolls-Royce of coffee machines made in Netherlands.
More than just a retailer, we're your partners in coffee. We offer expert service, support, and comprehensive training to help you achieve coffee perfection.
We never lost a customer in 42 years. That explains.
We do training courses here, and we do training on the spot for the restaurants also.
They serve restaurants, hotels, offices, coffee shops, and private owners.
Discover the Morala difference. Quality products, exceptional service, and a passion for coffee that's lasted for over 40 years. Visit us online at moralatrading.com or call 1-800-625-9625.